Imagine you're a data engineer standing in front of a giant warehouse filled with endless rows of boxes. You know each box holds important data, but it's scattered everywhere, and your team is pressed for time. You've got analysts running reports, data scientists building machine learning models, and executives asking for real-time insights. This is exactly the kind of problem Databricks is designed to solve. It brings your data, analytics, and machine learning together in one place, something they call the lakehouse. Instead of juggling lots of disconnected tools, Databricks offers a single, unified platform where everyone can collaborate, create, and innovate without unnecessary friction. But here's the challenge. If Databricks can be the hero of your data universe, you need to understand its core features. Otherwise, you might find yourself lost in a maze of complexity. At first, you might feel a knot forming in your stomach as you stare at the interface, unsure of where to begin. Your team is depending on you to master this platform because their entire data project could fail if you don't figure it out. It's a race against the clock. With this urgency in mind, you start exploring Databricks workspaces. These workspaces allow you and your teammates to organize projects, notebooks, and data assets, all housed neatly under one digital roof. Suddenly, you begin to feel more confident. Just like a craftsman needs a workshop, you've found yours. Now, with a workspace secured, you turn your attention to clusters. Clusters are groups of computers working together to process massive amounts of data. They can scale up or down depending on your needs. And because they do this seamlessly, you can tackle data tasks that would crush a normal machine. As you spin up a cluster, you start to believe in this newfound power. Sparks of insight ignite. Then you open a notebook. In Databricks, notebooks let you combine code, commentary, and visualizations all in one place. You make a change and instantly see the results. Thanks to this instant feedback, you iterate faster and share progress with your team more easily. Powering all of this is the Databricks runtime, the engine that makes it all happen. It provides optimized environments for handling data, running queries, and training models. Because of these powerful runtimes, your computations run faster and more smoothly than ever before. You discover Delta Lake, a storage layer that makes your data more reliable and easier to manage. Imagine never worrying about losing track of your data versions. Because Delta Lake provides asset transactions, time travel, and schema enforcement, your data becomes solid ground rather than shifting sand. Now that you have a stable foundation, you set up jobs. Jobs let you schedule tasks so that they run automatically. Because of this scheduled automation, you free yourself from the tedious waiting game and ensure that reports and models refresh on their own timetable. Next, you dive into Databricks SQL. Now you can query your data with structured query language. Because this is so familiar to analysts, they can jump right in. Your team's analysts cheer as they can slice and dice data instantly. Meanwhile, the data scientists on your team use MLflow to manage and track machine learning experiments. MLflow ensures they never lose track of what worked and what did not. Because MLflow centralizes experiment tracking, your team's machine learning efforts stay organized, reproducible, and transparent. As you explore further, you find data sources and connectors. They are like bridges that connect your Databricks environment to various data systems. Because these connectors help you pull in data from many different places, you can feed your analyses and models with the right inputs at the right time. Meanwhile, you also learn how libraries bring specialized capabilities directly into your work. If you need an advanced algorithm or a special data manipulation function, you bring in a library and use it right away. All along, you maintain security and access control. Because data security matters so much, Databricks provides fine-grained control over who can see and change what. This ensures your data stays safe. Once your data pipeline grows large and complex, workflows step in. Because workflows define the sequence of tasks and how they depend on each other, you can ensure everything runs in the right order, automatically. There is even a Databricks marketplace for data sharing, a place where you can exchange datasets with other organizations. Thanks to this marketplace, you can enrich your analyses with high-quality external data or even share your own. The entire platform operates under the lakehouse architecture. This architecture blurs the line between data lakes and data warehouses, giving you the freedom and performance of both. Since it unifies data management and analytics, your team no longer struggles with multiple complex systems. To keep track of changes over time, you use version control. As your notebooks and workflows evolve, version control ensures you can roll back to older states if something breaks. You can even integrate your code with external repositories. This means no experiment or solution is ever truly lost. And finally, you rely on visualization features to transform raw numbers into stunning charts and graphs. Since people understand visuals better than raw data, they quickly grasp the key insights you've uncovered. Just when it seemed like your project might fail, you leveraged all these features. At first, you were afraid your team would never overcome their data challenges. But now, you watch your teammates explore Databricks with confidence. Your data science colleague runs an MLflow experiment that delivers a breakthrough model. The analysts use Databricks SQL to uncover the exact insights the executives demanded. The tension that once loomed over the team vanishes. Everyone breathes a sigh of relief. The impossible becomes possible. Make sure to check the description for exclusive resources and tools to help you become a master of machines. And if there's anything you missed, feel free to watch again.